Front seat cover installation. Unbutton, unzip and put on the seat back cover. Adjust the holes for headrests. Attach the hinges. Tuck the hinges in the backrest seat gap. Zip for the seat back covers. Attach the small hooks and put on the base rest seat covers. Tuck the buckles in the backrest seat gap. Fix the small hooks to the seat bottom. Secure the hinges in place on the back. Fasten the buckles from the seat bottom and adjust the webbing to desired length. Cover the headrest. Front seat cover installation completed. Back seat cover installation. Fix the seat covers onto the chair and fasten the buckle to secure the headrest. Put on the rear backrest covers and fix it with the Velcro. Attach the hinges and tuck them in the backrest seat gap. Put on rear backrest covers and tuck the hinges in the seat gap. Fasten the side webbing to the bottom of the seat. Installation completed. Cheering for the new skin of your beloved car.